Hello James. So this is just a quick tutorial on stitch diagrams. One thing you should note with stitch diagrams is that they are made with symbols. Stitch diagrams are made with a combination of symbols and each symbol represents a stitch. So you can see this oval shape represents chain, this plus sign represents single crochet, this T type of shape represents half double crochet, and this other shape that looks like a T and it lands represents double crochet. Next, you have to look at where the diagram is starting from. For this one, you can see there's an arrow showing you that it is starting this way. Then it is worked like this, like this, like this, like this. That is why you have numbers. This is the starting chain. Then you have the row 1, you have the row 2, you have the row 3. So you do your chains first, you work your row 1, your row 2, your row 3, your row 4, like that till you get to the length that you want. The next thing to note is the foundation chain. The chain repeats. For this, it is a multiple of 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is more like a multiple of 10 plus 2. So just this part, like the root here, is 10 stitch repeats. That means from here to here again is another 10 stitch repeats. Then they added 2 more chains. So this stitch diagram is made up of 2 multiples of 10 plus 2. So if you count these chains, you see that it equals to 22. So if you want to work a wider swatch, you can do maybe 3 multiples of 10 or 4 multiples of 10. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be sticking to what is on this diagram, which is 2 multiples of 10 plus 2. So to start, I'm going to chain 22. If you count this, you see that it is 22 in number. You're going to count the chains up to this point. So I'll chain 22. I have my 22 chains now. The next thing to do is to skip one chain. We're skipping this chain here. Then we're going to work one single crochet in the next 2 chains. We're working one single crochet here and one single crochet here. So I'm going to skip one chain and work one single crochet in the next and do one single crochet in the next one. Next, I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and in this next chain, I'm going to do 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. So I'll skip 1, 2, 3, and in this one, I'll do 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. This is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, and in this next one, I'll do a single crochet, I'll chain 1 and skip this chain, then do a single crochet in the next. So I'll skip 1, 2, 3, I'll do a single crochet here, then I'll chain 1, skip the next chain, and in the next one I'll do a single crochet. Next, I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, and in the next chain I'll do 3 double crochets, 1 single crochet, and 3 double crochets. So I'll skip 1, 2, 3, and in the next I'll do 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. Next, I'll skip 1, 2, 3, and in the last 2 chains I'll do 1 single crochet each. So I'll skip 1, 2, 3, and in the last 2 chains I'll do 1 single crochet each. So this is what we have for row 1. So to move on to row 2, we'll chain 2 and do 1 half double crochet in this same stitch, in this single crochet here. So I'll chain 2, I'll turn my work and do 1 half double crochet. The next thing to do, we'll chain 3, then on this chain space we're going to do 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3. On this space we'll do 1 single crochet. Next thing to do is we're going to chain 3 again. You see, this is how it's going. So we'll chain 3 again, then in this chain space we'll do 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 half double crochet. So I'll chain 3, 1 2 3. Then in this space here, I'll do 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 half double crochet. So you can see I'll continue like that. I'll chain 3, then I'll do a single crochet here, I'll chain 3 again, then at this ending part, the last single crochet here, I'm going to do 2 half double crochets. So we have our row 2 done, and this is what it looks like. To continue for row 3, I'll chain 3 and do 3 double crochets in this first stitch here. So 1 2 3, chain 3 and turn my work, and I'll do 3 more double crochets. Next, I'm going to skip this chain here and do 1 single crochet at the top of this chain, do a chain 1 and do 1 single crochet at this chain. So I'll do a single crochet here, chain 1 and do another single crochet here. Next, I'm going to do 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 3 double crochets in this chain space. 1 2 3, and 1 chain and do 3 more double crochets. The next thing is to do 1 single crochet, 1 chain, then 1 single crochet. So after that, we are going to do 4 double crochets in this stitch here. That is the last stitch for the row. And we've completed row 4. So you're just going to continue like that. Row 4 is more like a repeat of row 2. It's just that it has alternating stitch. Instead of starting with a half double crochet, it is starting with a single crochet. So for row 4, you just continue that way. Then the first row, row 1, you will repeat it again in row 5. You can see that this and this is the same thing. You repeat it. Then row 6 and row 2 is the same thing. You continue that way. So that is basically stitch diagrams. It's just following the symbols per row. If it's a granny square, you will see it starts with a magic ring or a set of chains in circle. So you just have to first note where the stitch is starting from. Most charts or stitch diagrams usually signify it with an arrow or a shape to let you know that it's starting from that particular place. So you just keep tracing it like that, like that, like that. And you also have to get acquainted with what each symbol means. So that is just it about stitch diagrams. If you have any other question or you are still not clear about anything, feel free to drop your questions or your comments. Thank you so much.